Coronavirus, why are experts recommending vitamin D? And can taking vitamin D supplements protect you and your loved ones from COVID-19? Find out this and more.
If you're new to the channel or a long-time viewer, go ahead and smash that like button so more people can watch this video. And as always, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon, so you can be the first of your friends to get this secret insider knowledge. Click the first link in the description to discover the step-by-step method to boosting your immune system and supercharge your body.
Public health experts are recommending people take daily vitamin D supplements through the spring and summer. Vitamin D, also called the sunshine vitamin, because your skin uses sunlight to produce it naturally, is vital to maintaining healthy bones, but it also boosts your immune system. We know that it is important for healthy bones, teeth, and muscles, but it also enhances the pathogen-fighting effects of monocytes and macrophages, white blood cells that are important parts of your immune defense, and decrease inflammation, which helps promote an immune response. A research study from 2016 suggests vitamin D supplements may help to protect against acute respiratory tract infections. So what's all the noise about? Normally, most people get enough vitamin D by spending time outdoors because our skin creates it when exposed to the sun. However, there are rising concerns that the lockdown is depriving the population of the key nutrient, putting the overall population at greater risk. A deficiency of vitamin D can lead to a number of conditions, which cause bones to soften, weaken, and in some cases become deformed. Sarah Stanner, of the British Nutrition Foundation, said, "Unfortunately, as the effects of coronavirus continue, many of us are limited in the time we can spend outdoors. Correctly abiding by government rules and staying at home is immensely important, and, while many of us have limited access to sunlight, this means we need to take a little extra care to keep our vitamin D levels healthy." Should I take lots of vitamin D? No. Although vitamin D supplements are very safe, taking more than the recommended amount every day can be dangerous in the long run. If you choose to take vitamin D supplements, children aged 1 to 10 should not have more than 50 micrograms a day. Infants under 12 months should not have more than 25 micrograms a day. Adults should not have more than 100 micrograms a day, and if they are going to take supplements, the recommended amount is 10 micrograms a day. What about diet? Can you get vitamin D from your food? Although eating a well-balanced diet can help ensure the normal functioning of the immune system, it's difficult to get enough vitamin D from food alone. Eating a well-balanced diet is important for good health and is advisable even when people aren't facing a pandemic disease outbreak. If you are unable to go outside these days, don't fret. Vitamin D can be found in a few foods naturally, and in others through fortification. Salmon, sardines, egg yolk, shrimp, milk fortified, cereal fortified, yogurt fortified, orange juice fortified. Can it stop coronavirus? It's important to note that there's currently no cure for COVID-19 and no preventive measures other than physical distancing, and proper hygiene practices can protect you from developing this disease. With that being said, being deficient in vitamin D may negatively affect immune function. In fact, low vitamin D levels are associated with an increased risk of upper respiratory tract infections, including influenza and allergic asthma. Some studies show that supplementing with vitamin D may improve your immune response. In fact, recent research suggests that taking this vitamin may protect against respiratory tract infections. However, there is no evidence that it reduces the risk of catching or getting ill with coronavirus. What does this mean? While it may not save you directly from corona, vitamin D is critical for immune function. A deficiency in this nutrient may compromise immune response and increase your risk of infection and disease. Looking to strengthen your immune system and stay healthy? Click the first link in the description to discover the step-by-step method to boosting your immune system and supercharge your body. If you liked this video, hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching this video. Can vitamin D supplements help fight coronavirus?